What it do, what it do, what it do? Despot, the Immortal Phoenix, signing in. Bruce Banner. All right. Now you got a little eye opener and you're understanding who it is y'all are trying to bring light to. Because I don't know why y'all choosing white people. There's so many races that you need help. I don't know why y'all focusing just on them. But, okay. It's probably has something to do with, it's a glitch. It's something wrong with y'all. So your brains are glitching. I don't know. But it probably has something to do with like money or cars or something or whatever. And they shake and see and manipulating them. And that y'all don't care about them. But some of y'all really love them because y'all been raped and oppressed so long. It's sort of like West Indian women getting raped by their fathers. Eventually you want dudes to do that. It's what y'all know. It's like the first dick you had was your father. Well, you want a man to be like your father. And you wanted to have a dick like your father and talk like your father. It makes sense. If the first dick you had was a white guy, well, they took your virginity. Like, so I guess if it happens for enough generations, I guess that's like the ultimate. Plus, y'all scared of them motherfuckers because your bitch ass dudes was letting them do this stuff right in front of y'all, and they do it to this day. Actually, they just sell y'all off to them. They just offer y'all up to them. They don't even fuck with y'all. They never really did because they bitches. They come from the line of bitch ass slaves. I don't. So I already debunked that. So they was already slaves for a long time. Those are the baddest bitches. Like the ones that like in the projects, those are the baddest ones. So they eat the most bullshit. And you know, the physiology of an African is unique. The more bullshit they eat, the thicker they get. So them slave bitches be the baddest bitches. They eat all the shit, the ham hocks and the hog maws and pig feet and fucking intestines and chitlins and fried food and fucking chicken wings and gravy and fucking fucking greens and fucking, them niggas don't eat no salads, nigga. Them niggas eat all fucking crazy ass greens with turkey neck and shit and all this crazy shit off the gristle. Them motherfuckers get thick as fuck, but they be sick as a bitch. So I guess if that's what you know, then that's what you know. I guess it's just like whatever. So if you're gonna do it, don't just try to bring light to the evils of white people. You gotta bring light to the evils of the world in general. Don't just try to bring light to the evils of Dominicans because they are the second niggas with all of the stuff. They don't got no money, they just so stupid. They spend all their money on bitches because they're fucking child molesters and pedophiles too. These are not good things. These are not good things. I don't know why y'all take these as a good thing. You could just get the car and the money yourself. It's a soft life living as piece of shit ass. But if the mission is to bring joy, light, and happiness to the people, which is very admirable, well, you gotta do it the right way. And I will tell you how. First things first, you gotta stop seeing color. You are too image conscious. If your mission is to help people, it should not matter what they look like. If that is what your mission is. So you gotta start there. Right? Stop only wanting to be around motherfuckers that look good to you. That's not what a savior does. If you want to bring the light to the darkness in a person, some of the people that have the most darkness in them is going to be the ugliest people. It's going to be the people that's the most poor. Right? The ones that's abused. The ones that's injured. The one that is mentally inflamed. Right? The lepers, what Jesus did. Y'all supposed God. Those are the first ones you would start with, clearly. They would have the most darkness in them. The ones with all the money, that's handsome and all that. How much darkness could they have? They just spoil you. They used to have it so much, they just spoil you. Look, y'all got a theme song right there. Right, that's what we do. Maybe I hear it better. Y'all got a nice little theme song. Y'all got some club music. Appreciate you, sir. Appreciate you also, sir. So I block that. Lower that down, please. So, right? Lower it down under the screams. We want to hear the screams. But so perfect time. Road. What up? Night promise. So Ajo and Maya. They don't say Maya. So, waiting through the dark. I need a lamp. Come here, baby girl. Put you right here. Waiting through the darkness. I need a trophy wipe. Somebody pass me a trophy wipe. Top shelf. Look at that. It works. I can see good. Oh, shit. All right, let me take back your trophy wipe. I just wanted to hold it real quick, catch up. Get it back. So that's the first thing. Is it gonna bring light to people's darkness? You gotta bring it to people in general. So you gotta stop being so image conscious and only trying to hang around with people you say is beautiful. The second thing is you gotta realize who y'all think is beautiful is being judged and created by white people, by the media. Everybody don't feel like that. Y'all think I say y'all not beautiful because y'all souls. Some of you motherfuckers I just don't think look good, nigga. I said it many times. Y'all look stupid as fuck to me. With your dumb ass cat monster faces and your big ass eyebrows, nigga. Males are supposed to have big eyebrows. Women should have small feminine eyebrows. With your big ass muscle ass arms. And you're doing your fucking 20,000 set reps. Men are supposed to have big ass muscles. Not women. Y'all look dumb as fuck. That's your soul, you stupid. I just don't like saying stuff like that because it's my own opinion. Some guys find it attractive. I personally think it looks dumb as a bitch. I think it's ugly as fuck. It looks like a weird mannequin cat monster. It's scary as a bitch. That shit weird. You can't see no goddamn divots, no nothing, no indents. You can't see no holes in the face. You can't see shit. It looks like a weird clown thing that came out of nowhere with green and red and purple. That shit be scary, nigga. I ain't telling you, so you bitches are ugly to me. To me, that's my personal opinion. Other guys like it. That's why you don't do that stuff. You don't say what looks good and don't. To other dudes that turn them on. It's not because they got a fucking sex doll, they just like it. So I don't say that stuff. I just talk about your souls and shit. And y'all think, oh, I'm just so much. No, stupid, it's just rude to say somebody's ugly. You think they're ugly. Somebody else might find them attractive. It's very rude. I don't say things like that because I'm actually Asian. It's just my opinion. I keep my opinion myself. When I was young, my mother's taught me, my teachers taught me, if you have nothing good to say nothing at all. So if a dude wants you to put on that shit in the house, and that's your dude, I just be like, I just keep it pushing. I say, baby, you gotta work on your soul. You gotta work on your inner energy and shit. What's on the inside to come out on the outside, you can make that shit look good. I say stuff like that. Like, well, if you can make it look good if you do the right tweak. And they be doing it. They put like little glitter on their face. What up, baby? A little glitter on their face and then a little star right here. And I look at it and I say, they take a little off and I'm like, okay. I see what you're cooking. That shit look good now. It look better. They took some of that off and then used the regular skin tone one and took off all the mascara and I was like, okay. Now it look like art. All right, I got you. You know what I mean? I do stuff like that. I don't say who looks good and who looks ugly. Who are y'all to determine the looks of somebody and say, well, he's just talking about. No, to me, it's ugly, bitch. What the fuck you talking about? To me, don't tell me what my opinion is. Well, he doesn't like thick girls, he likes slim girls. It's just, he's saying it's more cushion for the. No, stupid. I just think thick girls are good, bitch. I like slim girls back in the fucking day, nigga. When I was a little ass kid. I grew up. You grow, you learn. What up, bro? The fuck? Who the fuck stayed the same? Niggas. That's who. Who stayed the same all their life? Niggas. That's who. So, that's another thing to understand. Stop judging people by their looks and deciding your group of people can decide for everybody what's what just because you got the internet. And you can tease people. Just say, I think this looks attractive. That's an opinion. I think this is attractive. I think this is not. No problem. It's your opinion. What up, guy? What up, my guy? It doesn't make it a fact. Opinion is the opposite of fact. So you gotta keep that in mind too. If you're gonna do this stuff, you gotta do it also for the people you find not so attractive. Now, once you do that, you can do it definitely for the people you find attractive. That's the key of this first thing I'm teaching y'all, is stop seeing so much image and definitely stop seeing colors. That's racist. Just see people. It's very frustrating to me when they say, I'm gonna do this for a white person or this for a black person, or you're not bad for a black guy. You're pretty smart for a black guy. You're pretty, shut your bitch ass up, I ain't no black guy. Fuck you talking about? Or brown guy, shut up, I ain't no brown guy. I'm a guy that just happens to be brown. I'm me. There's one me, I'm me. That motherfucker over there is them. Just say, that's about you the shit. Thank you. You the bomb too. Katrina, whatever the fuck you want your name to be. You know what I mean? You the bomb too. Don't say all the people in the Bronx, Hill's great and Bo's great. Am I all the people in the fucking Bronx? Do I only be in the Bronx? Do I not go to Brooklyn? Do I not go to Manhattan? Do I not go to Connecticut? Why the fuck are you giving the Bronx my reputation as if I'm stuck to the Bronx or something? Like there's a magnet fee on me, or I'm in the cave, or a fucking zoo, or a fucking jail. Niggas don't say it to my face. I wish a nigga would tell me I was in the zoo. I slit their fucking neck, because you in the zoo with me, stupid, and you in the zoo with a wild-ass animal just walking around. I slit their fucking neck. I wish a nigga would tell me that. Because I'll go right to your state and fuck you up. Say no fucking zoo, bitch. Say no jail. If it was a jail, I'd be beating your face in like when I was in jail. So that's some fucking respect. That's another thing you gotta have if you're trying to do that. You gotta have some fucking respect. You definitely have respect when you step on somebody's ground. You don't go in nobody's place, block, or house with disrespect. How you gonna help a motherfucker and you're offending them as soon as you show up? That's not help. So I gotta get these things understood. And that's for you too, white people. Watch how you step it. But for you motherfuckers, when you go to somebody's state or city, you show respect. When I go to Brooklyn, I show respect. I drop the per diem. Not for extortion, that's called respect. You want to help? No. So when you show up, start helping. Drop the per diem and go clean off a mural. Do some community service. Walk through, pick up the garbage before you get to wherever you're going. There's people all in that borough that's watching. If you're going to help, go help. Don't help for a reason or for a person or a season. If you want to help, just help. If not, stop the bullshit and stop wasting my time. And I'll go back to bashing your fucking brains in for this goofy ass shit y'all doing. But if you want that shit, if y'all doing it for this purpose, it's what they claim to me, y'all trying to bring happiness to the world and dancing and all this, well, fine, I can do the other stuff. Because y'all learning it from white people, they can dance like that. It's their country, stupid. Are they dancing in Africa while it's getting bombed? No. You idiots are swimming and trying to fucking survive in cold ass water. They happen to be in their country where I'm at and it's safe. They can dance around. You idiots are running from your country and coming here to dance. How about you go back to your country with help and bring them here too? You hateful piece of shit. Why you dance with white people? They already home. Where's your people? Drowning, nigga. What the fuck? How you got dancing legs? You goofy son bitches. But if you want to do it because at the incident and you can bring joy to them there while we go save them, well, this is how you do it. Do it for everybody. Not just the motherfuckers with the money and that look good. They could be involved in everybody because what? It's in the name. Once again, it's in the name. It's everybody. They're in there.